Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Allie Leerink and I am a junior at the University of Alabama, and my horse Enzo, he's back home, back in Massachusetts, but I'm going home next week for a horse show to visit and show in New England finals because I qualified, so I'm super excited for that. And yeah, so today I thought I'd show you guys one of my favorite like post-workout, post-ride snacks that is super good for you, super fueling, and yeah, just really great. Also, sorry if I'm like looking like I don't really know, but it's my first like one of my first times using this camera that I got. It's like a vlog camera. Hold on, I'll show you. So like there it is, you can see yourself, but yeah, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna make for a snack. Okay, so here are all the ingredients that I'm going to be using. We have chia seeds, oats, some honey roasted sliced almonds, some unsweetened coconut chips, some milled flax seeds, goji berries, maple syrup, it's pure maple syrup, peanut butter, or you could use almond butter, any two, and then I have some honey. So let's get to cooking. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make my base for these bars, and I'm gonna be doing that with 1 cup of oats. And I'm gonna put those into a blender, and then I'm gonna take a spoon and I'm going to put some, I'm gonna do 2 large spoonfuls of flax. Okay, and then I'm also doing 2 large spoonfuls of chia. Perfect. And then I'm going to go blend this up. Okay, so now I have my medium-sized pink bowl, and I'm gonna put this base into the bowl. Okay, wait, there's still, okay, good enough. So this is what it should look like. Okay, and then I'm also going to be adding some of this vanilla bean flavored protein powder. I forgot to mention this when I was showing you all the ingredients, but this is what I'm gonna add into this right now. I think I'm just gonna do 1 scoop. This is like my favorite protein powder of all time. It's plant-based protein made out of oat milk, and it has 20 grams of plant protein and only 2 grams of sugar. So that's pretty good for a protein powder. And yes, it's vanilla bean flavored, and I absolutely love this protein powder. Like, it literally tastes like, when I make smoothies with this, it literally tastes like I'm drinking like an ice cream like shake. It's so good. So I'm just going to be adding 1 scoop of this into the bowl. Then I'm going to mix that up. So this is what it looks like. I'm just going to mix it up. Sorry guys, I lied. I'm going to add 2 scoops. I'm gonna add 2 scoops of this protein powder in there. Okay. Learning as we go here. Okay, so now I'm gonna just mix that up again. It smells good now, guys. Okay. So now that I have this mixed up, I'm going to be adding a few heaping tablespoons of peanut butter. Like big tablespoons, guys. big. Okay, so that's 1, doing 2, and then 1 more medium-sized one. This is good for extra protein and healthy fats. So get all that in there without making a huge mess. Oh my god, it's all over the side. Okay, good enough. Okay, so now for some liquid, I'm just gonna add, I think about, I'm like estimating as I go because I never measure. I just like do it off my eye. That's 1 spoonful, 2 spoonfuls, 3 spoonfuls. Okay, let me measure that, or let me mix that and see what it looks like. I'm gonna do a bit more. Hold on, get the spoon clear off. Okay. Yum. That's 4 spoonfuls, 5 spoonfuls, 6 spoonfuls. That's probably equal to about like 3 tablespoons. Okay, I'm gonna mix that again. I feel like it's always harder to mix stuff with like a utensil. Like I really just want to use my hands, but having to clean them after is like, that's such a like force. Okay, sorry, you're just like looking at me. This is what we're dealing with right now. This is the consistency, and honestly I want to get it to be a little bit more like to put together. So I'm just gonna add 1 more, I think, spoonful of some maple syrup, and I think that should be good. Actually, you know what I'm gonna add? A little dash of almond milk. You can use any plant milk you want, but I think this will be good to just bind everything together. You know what? I'm using my hands. Although I just said I didn't want to use my hands, but you know, we're gonna do it. Okay, yeah, there we go. See, using your hands just really gets everything together. Okay, so yeah, that's perfect. Now I need to wash them. So now I'm going to be adding our goji berries. I'm just gonna do a sprinkle. Perfect. Just do as many as you think you want. And then I'm gonna be adding our sliced almonds for some crunch, and again, some more yummy protein from the almonds. Just off your eye, however many you think. Okay, and then I'm going to mix that up again. This time I'm going to use a spoon because I really don't want to do my hands again. This is what it should be looking like. I don't know if you can really see that. The lighting is so bad. Okay. Continue to do this. Okay, and now I'm gonna get a little baking sheet plate and I'm gonna line it with parchment paper. Okay, we've got our lined baking sheet, and now I'm going to put our batter onto the sheet. Okay, it kind of looks like crumbly, but I'm gonna press it down together. And you know what? This part I'm just gonna use my hands again because it's kind of hard. You gotta push it so you can see. Push it together. Okay, so there's what it should look like. And now, what I'm going to do, oops, I'm gonna open these yet. Oh, open our coconut flakes, And then I'm just gonna take the unsweetened coconut flakes and I'm just gonna sprinkle them on top. Oh, I like totally lied to y'all. I'm so sorry, but I am going to be adding something else. So now I'm just gonna take what's left of these semi-sweet dark chocolate chips, and there's not that many left, so I'm also gonna take some of these semi-sweet chocolate chips and put a little bit of them into a bowl that's microwave safe to create a drizzle of chocolate. Okay, that's probably enough. So now I'm just gonna put this in the microwave for about 30 seconds. Wait, did not use the honey. So you could either drizzle honey on top, or I'm actually gonna try something new. I'm just melting chocolate 30 seconds at a time. I'm gonna add a little bit of water into this so that it helps to melt. Okay, so here's our melted chocolate, and now I'm just gonna drizzle this on top. And then now I'm going to be putting these into the freezer overnight. So we'll see them in the morning. So that is about it for the preparatory phase and making them, and I'm gonna let those sit in the freezer overnight and then check back on them in the morning. So I will see you guys when I wake up. Okay, so it is the next morning now, and I'm gonna check on our little treats that we made. Ooh, they look good. Okay, so this is what they look like. Oh my god, they look so good. I want to try one, but I can't because I have to eat breakfast. So I'm just gonna cut these into little granola bars and I'll show you after. Okay, so this is the final product. Look. Oh, I think they're adorable. But yeah. So that is the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and if you do try out this recipe, I really hope you like it. Let me know in the comments if you do. I will also link the recipe in the description box below so you can check that out as well. If you like this video, please hit the like button down below and subscribe because who wouldn't want to miss my videos? LOL. Okay, anyways, yeah, hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel. It means a lot to me. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.